In this video, I'm going to show you how to add TIDAL to Serato DJ Pro. Now to do this, you first want to go to the top right and click on the settings cogwheel, and then from here you want to go to this third tab up top, which is called Library plus Display. Here at the bottom you want to check mark under Music Streaming where it says Show Streaming Services, and then from here you can find the TIDAL is over here. So just click on TIDAL, and you'll notice that when you go back, TIDAL is now over here on the left as well, okay? So to actually add it and connect it, you can click on TIDAL, and you can then go and click on Start Trial or Login at the bottom right, which is going to take you to their official website. It's going to load in up in your browser, and it's going to allow you to basically sign into your account or create one, and then from there you'll be able to, of course, sign in and then connect it. So that's the first way to do this, but of course you could also go to the top over here, click on the cogwheel, and whenever you click on TIDAL from here, you can just directly click on Sign Up or Log In, and it's going to open the same website and allow you to sign into your account. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.